A homeowner in Columbus, Ohio paid her bank $145 every single month for 4 straight years, for a charge that federal law said should have vanished from her bill back in 2022. Nobody at the bank called her. Nobody mailed a letter telling her the exact month it could stop. She just kept paying, because she never asked the one question that would have ended it years earlier, and her bank had zero obligation to ask it for her. That charge is private mortgage insurance, tacked onto almost every loan where the buyer put down less than 20% at closing. Banks require it to protect themselves, not you, in case you ever stop paying. But here is what almost nobody explains in that stack of closing paperwork. Once your loan balance drops to 80% of what your home was originally worth, you are legally allowed to request in writing that the bank cancel it immediately. You do not have to wait for the bank to bring it up, and most banks never do. Federal law does force automatic cancellation, but only once your balance falls to 78% of the original value, and only if every single payment has been on time. That is often 2 full years later than the point where you were already allowed to ask for it yourself. Banks are not required to remind you of that earlier date, so most homeowners simply keep paying straight past it, sometimes for 2, 3, even 4 extra years, because the bill looks identical every month and nothing on the statement ever flags it. If a video like this is useful, subscribe, because we post one of these hidden money rules every single day, and tomorrow's covers a refund most people never realize their own bank owes them. Here is the part that makes it worse. If your home's value has gone up since you bought it, and across most of the country it has, you might already be sitting under 80% right now, years ahead of schedule, without refinancing a single thing. A new appraisal, often costing under $500, can prove that value and trigger cancellation almost immediately once you submit it. Drop a comment if you want the exact wording lenders require in that written request, because most people don't even know they're allowed to send one. That Ohio homeowner finally sent her letter in 2026, 4 full years after she had already qualified to cancel it. Her bank approved it within 30 days. No argument, no appeal, because once she asked in writing, they were legally required to comply. What she overpaid before finding out came to $6,960 on a rule that was never actually secret, just never once volunteered. Hit the bell so tomorrow's hidden rule lands in your feed before it quietly costs you money too.